For day-to-day operations of a cyber recovery infrastructure, it's important that we try to maintain a separation of duties. Ensuring that the same individuals who manage your production estate are not the same individuals who manage the cyber vault becomes critical. If a user's credentials get compromised, we cannot have a situation where there is a potential to access the vaulted infrastructure. Lifecycle management can be quite cumbersome when maintaining these isolated infrastructures because you cannot leverage the centralized tools that you would normally use within production. You may have to design specific lifecycle management procedures that are quite manually based to maintain an up-to-date infrastructure for both the cyber vault and for the clean room infrastructures. So with any cyber recovery solution, it's very important that you test rigorously your cyber recovery runbooks or your cyber recovery procedures. You need to ensure that the cyber recovery solution you put in place is always fit for purpose. The only way that you can validate that is by executing your runbook recoveries and ensuring that the outcomes are consistent and the same each time. It also affords you the ability to time those recoveries so you can report back to the business on how long it's going to take you to recover a given set of applications or a given set of services. That will instill confidence from a business perspective that you can recover, but also how long that procedure is going to take. As your production estate evolves, you may introduce new platforms and new systems to support new production applications. We need to make sure that those systems and platforms have a cyber recovery position within the cyber vault. We need to ensure that runbooks are maintained and runbooks are modified accordingly to support the recovery of those new applications or upgraded systems. For new platforms that are deployed within your production infrastructure that need a cyber recovery position, we need to accommodate the technologies to support recovery within the cyber vault or within the isolated clean room infrastructure. Cyber vault solutions are designed to be invisible from within your organization's network. It's very important that you continuously test that that's still the case. Involving third-party or independent third parties to execute penetration tests against your vault infrastructure is an important step that must be taken. For financial organizations through DORA, there are audit requirements where they must prove that they have executed recoveries and successfully recovered their workloads, and that evidence must be provided to the regulator. For day-to-day operations, the key takeaways are that the vault must always remain isolated. You must systematically be able to prove that that isolation is in place, and you also are executing your recovery testings and testing the robustness of your runbooks on a schedule and a cadence that the business supports.